welcome to my channel, and I thought today I would do a little bit of unboxing with you guys. I bought some stuff from different stores. They're not enough to do an independent base haul store by store, so I just thought I would lump them all together. While I have you here, if I can ask you to subscribe if you like this video, please press the like button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my contents. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyway, let's get started. I think I will start with the two jewelry that I bought, and they're made from Ivory Co. and they come in a white box. They're my daughter's name. I had them made. They were pretty inexpensive, but they're beautifully done. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if my camera is going to zoom in, but it is my first daughter's name. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll have pictures. It just says Ava with on it, and it is 18 karat gold. So yeah, I thought that would be beautiful. I love my kid's name. I might be biased because I named them, but I love their name, Mia and Ava. So anytime I can get anything with their name on it, I'll go ahead and do that. So the next thing I got from Shein, and it came in this packaging. Usually I buy so many stuff, they usually come in boxes, but this time I just saw a few pieces that I really wanted, so I purchased them and they came in this bag. So they also come in individual bags like this Ziploc bag, and the first thing is a dress. It is a mini dress, elasticated with spaghetti strap that can either be worn shoulder length up, but it's pretty long. On me it's probably gonna look like a maxi, but I know it's meant to be a midi dress. And it's olive green with floral on it, purple and brown, and I really like it. It has little tear ruffles on it, and at the bottom has like a little flirty bottom. So yeah, that was the first one. The next thing, it does look bright in this. It didn't look as bright in the store on the website, but let's see. Oh, it's pretty bright. And I don't know if I really like it. Okay. Yeah. It's a lime green vinyl dress. It's lime green. It might look like highlighter yellow, but it is lime green with puffy sleeve. And yeah, it looked very different on the website. And that's what I mean when you purchase at Shein. You never know what you're gonna get. I mean, it's not bad. It's just the color is a little bit brighter than I thought it was going to be. It's going to be a short dress. The material doesn't feel bad. And the inside has this cloth inside, so, and there's a zipper in the back, so we shall see. If I don't do cutaways of me wearing them, I will probably do pictures on my Instagram. You can follow me at Stylelona. So yeah, the next thing I bought is this dress. Now in the bag it looks like a, what do you call it? Loafer? Yes, I think that's what it's called. It looks like a loafer, but yeah, it's really mini dress. So we shall see. I bought it to go out with my husband at this party that one of our friends is hosting. It's like neon colored clothing. That's why I bought the other dress also, and this one. So I'm gonna tell you right now, This dress is really well made. I'm not gonna lie. Thought it would be a little bit thinner and cheaper looking. And this is nothing for it, but I'll have a picture here. Yeah, and the inside is lined with a satin. The inside is satin or imitation satin, I'm not sure. And there's a zipper on the side. There's a bow in the front. Yeah, and my light is all going wonky. I apologize. So yeah, that was the other dress. And then this box. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This box is from Nordstrom. I thought I had gotten all my Nordstrom packages already. So I'm not really sure what's in this one. I know what's in it. Okay, so as you know, I bought, calm down, hold up, calm down, but I just got super excited because I just remember what these are. So you guys have seen the shoes that's going around from Bottega. I have a pair that I pre-ordered that is a classic color that I think I'm really gonna like. But I've seen all the fun colors, like the pink, the blue, and then this croc emboss nude one. Now, those shoes, as I told you guys, super, super expensive. We're talking 1,000 plus, right? Now, I'm all for shoes, buying a shoes that's a classic. That is, I'm going to get the cost per wear. Thank you, Claire Chanel from Iron Choquette, for giving me that tip. So I was on Nordstrom. I was, you know, browsing through their pages, and Steve Madden had a shoe inspired by the Bottega Mule. Look at them. Hopefully my light is not blowing it out. Yeah. Okay, that's not gonna work. Oh my gosh. I love it. And it's such a pretty pink, like baby pink. This is going to look so good in summer, in spring here in Florida, because and then I got a second pair. This one is another nude. But it's croc embossed. I am obsessed. And then Amazon. You can never go wrong with Amazon. They have something there for everyone. Anything you're looking for, you can get on Amazon. And because I'm a Prime member, you get their 1-day, 2-day shipping. Fantastic. So yeah, these are backdrops. Right now I am using my wall. This is my curtain. I'm actually in my bedroom. So yeah, but I saw this backdrop. I will post a picture here. It's supposed to mimic a wooden white wall. I got the clips to clip it on my screen, or yeah, screen. So yeah, so that's that. Got 2 more pairs of shoes from Nordstrom, and these I bought a while back. I bought maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and I looked at them. They looked fine, and then life just kind of took over, so I hadn't had a chance to try them on or see them or properly take them out of the box and look at them. They're from Bradley Mishka, and if you've seen my luxury wish list, I'll leave a link in the below bar. I told you guys that I really wanted to get a green pair of the Manolo Blahniks. I told you guys that when I went to Miami, I tried the yellow Manolo Blahnik, and I didn't like that yellow, but I was looking for it in a green color. I had seen the blue and pink. I really liked them and I wanted to purchase them, but then I saw these online and they mimic, I mean, they look so similar. Obviously, they're not from the same brand, but these are very good quality. And I thought, hey, they're gonna give me the same look for a fraction of the price. Why not? And they come with a dust bag. These are the extra heel bottoms in case you wear, well, when you wear and tear, the ones that are on this. They come like this. They're satin, so that's why they're wrapped like this much. Ooh, these are really bright pink. So let's just take one out. Whoa, I like. It's really bright. Do you know? Okay, call me crazy, but I would wear these pink ones with that green dress. Well, make it a look and see. Yeah, so it's stuffed all the way in. And then it has like protections in the bottom of the shoes. The inside is a rose gold. Really like that. And then, ooh, look at it. It's beautiful. And the heel height is not that tall. I love the way this look. So yeah, and it's really well made. Really, really well made. It's gorgeous. So yeah, so as I said, they mimic the Manolo Blahnik, and those are pretty good quality. And I got a second pair, comes with a dust bag. And this one is a blue. This is the one that I had taken out of the box, so it's not as elegantly wrapped as the pink one. So yeah, this is the blue one, and it's a satin shell. And yeah, it is beautiful. The bottom, really vibrant blue. Oh, that's just a shadow from the, yeah, same heel height. And the inside this time is a silver. Yeah, really like that. And yeah, that's it. So that is all that I bought that came in. A little bit from Shein, Steve Madden, Bradley Mishka, and Amazon. So yeah, hopefully you found something in here and you were entertained by this video. Please, as I said, if you could subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell. That was my phone. Time for bed. Yeah. Yeah, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.